some pissed off flu son. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home. Doing it by my lonesome, pissed off flu son.
I see them long, hard times to come.
What's up, everybody? Second video of the year, yay! Sorry if I'm not super enthusiastic, and plus my voice is all fucked up. But figured today we'd do the review on the Icon Variant Pro helmet. You've been riding as long as I have, and you're riding as long as most of us. You get a pretty good feel for a helmet pretty quick. And I know a few of you have been already itching to know how the helmet is. This fucking red lights.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Well, so anyway, let's get into this. Alright. Oh, these fucking tassels. I'm sorry, I'm not too enthusiastic. Like I said, my voice is all fucked up, and been doing a shit ton of cleaning the past last night, today around the house. That spring cleaning going. Anyways, so the Icon Pro variant, Icon Variant Pro, that thing, the thing on my head, this thing, I honestly love it. It's a huge improvement over the last model, the old variants. I love that helmet. There's some differences that I don't like. I've always worn a medium in Icon, and even at a medium, the pads have been a little bit loose on me. The helmet's always been a little bit loose, but I still ordered a medium on this, and it's almost too tight. So I don't know if Icon has switched it up, what they've done, but they definitely made a different fit, and it fits great. I love the fitting of it. The vents, even with the vents open, you don't get a whole bunch of air movement through these. My last video was like, well, you know, I hear a lot of air. The air I hear is actually passing by the outside of the helmet. That's what I'm hearing. I'm hearing it outside. Because I've had all the vents closed. The visor is different. It's got a bigger hole in it. Still kind of seems like it catches a little bit more wind than the other one did. But I haven't worn a variant in a fucking year, so it's also, when you wear a variant, you get your neck and your head and everything used to pushing back against the wind, and after a while you don't even notice you're doing it anymore. So I'm still getting used to that. But so far I have no complaints except for the chin. I like the redesigned chin. The old chin was like, it was just round. It was round all the way around, and it was round this way too. And I made it work to hook a GoPro to. A lot of people, not as many people saw my video as I thought would, because there's not a whole bunch of videos out there on how to mount a GoPro to an Icon variant. I think I only found 2 that didn't have the mounting. Oh, shit. The mounting strap that you could get, which I wasn't going to do because it was dumb. I'm not going to have Velcro up and down the side of my helmet. This fucking Jeep dig needs to go. I'll just go this way instead. got Nicole behind me. So anyways, it makes it a little bit harder for me to mount this GoPro to the Chin. The other one I made it work. This one I've made it work, but the other one I was able to build it up on the sides and shit like that. I showed in that video I made of how to mount a GoPro to it. This one's a little bit different. There is no building it up on the sides because of the way the Chin mount is made. It comes out at a weird angle, so it has slots in it. Yeah, you really can't see it here. Maybe I'll throw a picture up of a stock one. Makes it quite hard. So I ended up having to wrap it with a lot of 3M tape, but everybody likes to use that fucking cement or JB welder. I'm not putting that shit on my fucking helmet because I'm not always gonna have a camera on my fucking helmet. I'm not always gonna have a mount. Some days I like pulling all this shit off and just riding with nothing. So I'm not gonna put shit on my helmet, especially with as much as these fucking things cost. And I don't think anybody should. I don't agree with you guys that do it. Unless you buy a cheap shit helmet to ride to make videos with, then that's fine. But if you spend this kind of money, you shouldn't do it. I did get the gold visor. It comes with a clear and it comes with a shade visor. I bought the gold one because, I mean, y'all know all my helmets, I always put the gold visors on. It is the anti-fog ones. The anti-fog works pretty good, except for it makes oh shit, it doesn't fog up, but it does put a lot of moisture. Like when you're breathing, instead of fogging, it makes it moisture, so it still kind of makes it a little difficult to see out of. But it's not as bad as fogging up. But anyways, I'm very pleased with it. I'm very happy with it. I think it works great. Fitment is awesome. The visor's awesome. And I love the adventure look, the off-road look helmets. I think they're great. Some people do, some people don't. I love them. And I like that, when I started wearing the Icon variant, the other one, of course, it was kind of around the time a lot of people were. Now nobody does hardly anymore. Everybody's wearing the Icon Pros or Shoeies or Voss or Ruroc, and I did buy that fucking Voss helmet and completely dissatisfied with it. It's a waste of fucking money. Horrible helmet. Horrible. It might just be the one I got. I don't know. It's fucking horrible. I love my Icon airflite. Fuck, I love that thing, but I think I'm gonna change it up this year and wear this one for a while. I did leave all my setup on the airflite so I can go back and forth. But if you're an Icon variant fan and you like them, I would suggest, if you've gotten away from using them, if you want to get back into them, I would suggest it. I think they've got a pretty good one now. If you like the old one, you're definitely going to like the new one. But I think that's going to be it about for this one. I just wanted to do a quick one over the helmet. I got Nicole behind me. Going to go test ride a CBR over at Travis's house. We didn't get a chance to do it last weekend, so we're going to go do it today. your comment down below. Tell me what you think. Very first video of the year last week. I'm very slow to get to the comments. I always reply. Sometimes I'm late. Hell, if I ever even see them. Sometimes I don't even get my comments. Shit, I'm already in 6th gear. So I will reply to those still. Leave your comments down below what you think about the helmet. What you think about the season. If you want to see anything specific, you want to talk about something specific, let me know. Don't forget to like and share. Since last week, I've jumped up 6 subs from 730 or 729 last week to 736 this week. So that's a pretty decent jump in a week. Remember, everybody, trying to get to that 1,000 this year. We're shooting high. We're shooting for the fucking moon. Well, this fucking light. I'm not going to end it at a red light. I can't. I just can't bring myself to do it. Haven't even got to open it up yet. Anyway, so like, share, comment. If you're new here, you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. It's muchly appreciated. Muchly appreciated. That's a fucking word. Hopefully the weather holds out and come on, go. Y'all will see me on another video next week. Every Sunday I try to. If I can, I'll upload twice a week, but most likely it's only once a week. Dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.